Hello, I'm Anna Devilla Singson of PPCRV, and I can't wait, I'm very excited to tell you a little bit more about PPCRV's Tibok Pinoy series. PPCRV's Tibok Pinoy series is a series of 6 books and 11 podcasts which focus on the key characteristics of a model Filipino. But how did we in PPCRV decide which particular values to include in our Tibok Pinoy series? Well, we conducted a nationwide research and we asked Filipinos across the country what they think the key characteristics of a model Filipino are. Are you excited to find out what they are? Unang-una, ang modelo or huwarang Pilipino ay isang Pilipino na makadiyos. Anuman ang pananalig, anuman ang pananampalataya, ang ugat, ang pinagbumulan at ang punot dulo ng lahat ng bubuting kaugalian ay nagmumula sa pagiging makadiyos. Yes, a model Filipino, regardless of his faith or his beliefs, is one who has godliness in him. He is God-fearing and God-loving. The other key characteristics that came out from our research were that of being matapat or honest, magalang, respectful, matulungin, helpful, masipag, being industrious, and that of being makabayan or nationalistic. Aside from these characteristics, we decided to add another book on being mapanuri, or that of being a discerning netizen. Now, why did we add a book on being a discerning netizen? So many of us are now using social media as a primary and key source of information. And while social media has many strengths, it also has some inherent risks and dangers, such as the possibility of identity theft, misinformation, disinformation, a combination of both, and it's sometimes very hard to tell what is fact from fake news in social media. We delve into this in detail in the book and podcast on being mapanuri or a model and discerning netizen. So the Tibok Pinoy series is a series about the model Filipino and the model netizen. Best of both worlds, right?